Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Cook County in northeast Illinois, DuPage County in northeast Illinois, eastern Kane County in northeast Illinois, Lake County in northeast Illinois, southeastern McHenry County in northeast Illinois, until 1:45 p.m. At 12:54 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Marengo to Alberta Little Rock and moving east at 75 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to